Hello. I'm just a day late. That's all. I think I'm live now. Yeah, I'm live according to my notifications. Right. Guess I'll start a tutorial. Don't really remember where I was. I remember getting annoyed at something. I'll just continue the video. What's that node? Vector math. Is there a pi constant? Oh, there is a pi constant. Let's make a random seed because this little one is annoying me quite a lot. How do I do random integer? Oops. Oh wait, I need to combine these two to one value. Yep, you can do that. Then we can randomize it like that. Rice, vegetables, and fish. Seaweed. That looks like the right color for sushi. It's a little bit green, but really dark. That's useful. I messed up my sushi. Like it's behind a wall or something. Maybe the lettuce? That's no good. There's something wrong with my sushi. Maybe it's the rendering mode. I'm using Eevee. Yeah, he doesn't like Eevee. Huh? Now it works? What the heck? It suddenly works. Man, that's weird. Math add hour. Yeah, in the video, it shows his exponents of on 5, while default is 0.05, I think. This rice looks really weird. And really dark. The back looks a bit weird though. Ah, he's a smooth F1 Voronoi. That's why. Object vector. How do I group this again? Control R? No. Fuck. Control J. Yeah. Control T. And object to vector. 50. I'm used to Unreal now, where it's Control W to duplicate. Pretty sure I have to mix the shaders at some point. Mix shader. That there. Shift control click. How does he do that? How does he do that? Oh, he's just directly comparing it. The normals look a bit weird. I might just recalculate that. Normals? Normals? I forget how to do that. Recal. Normals. Shift N. How do I... Where is it? There it is. I don't know if that made a difference. The origin point is not in the middle. Maybe that's why it's different. Yeah, my origin is different, and that makes a lot of calculations different also, I guess. Extra coordinate. Object location, I assume. I guess I have to put in my own node where I raise the Z. Now let's test. Let's go to geometry nodes. 1. Max 1. There we go. Maybe we should make it 2. Nah, 1 I guess. And then they can just scale it up. Mask node. Mask. Oops, this is... No wait, this is right. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah. I'm going to use multiply instead because apparently the vision creates more, requires more processing. Don't know if it's true in this language, this programming language that Blender uses. Okay, so basically I just duplicate this, and then shove this and here, no here, and put this here. Oops, because this is exactly the same. Separating it at length, and actually not that one, this one there. Oops, man, that Control T is really useful. Oh, that's a nice texture. Really nice. Oh, ew. I don't know why that looks like that. Looks like it's goo or some shit. No, it's too bright. They changed the hue. Put in the color ramp and reduce the brighter colors. Let's look at his reference. Bright green. Bright, vibrant greens. That's transparent. Oh, that's some nice seaweed. This texture is messed up. It's not working. Oh, there. I missed that part. I knew that was weird. It was using the object coordinate. Oh no, I didn't save. Didn't crash. Gotta save really quickly. There we go. I learned a lot. With the end result, mixed feelings about it. The sushi, it doesn't look like how I expected it. There it is. The end result. Probably the part I liked most was the the seaweed. The seaweed part. The thing is that I think the styles collide. Like this is realistic looking, and then this is like cartoony-ish. But I did learn a lot, especially using what's it called? The greater than for making the gradient things more. How do I call it? I'll just show this thing, like this gradient. That's how you make it more fixed instead of a gradient using a greater than. I could see myself reusing some of these nodes. Alright, I guess that's it for today. Might do another tutorial. I found one by default cube. What's it called again? Geometry nodes. There's a video I saw on my phone. I guess I should subscribe on this channel. Well, there was one that I found while just looking in my phone. Oh, burger. That's what it's called. A full burger. This one. Yeah, I might do this next because it looked really good. Also, the end result looks really good. I mean, look at that burger. It's not the most realistic, but it looks really good. It's like realistic, but slightly stylized. Anyway, that's it for this stream. I'll be back tomorrow. You can guarantee that. But that's about it. I don't know if I'll be on later tonight. I might be. if I feel like it. Well then, until next time.